Let me show you how to maintain your humidifier. Your humidifier comes equipped with a humidistat. The humidistat is currently set in the comfort range. If it is set too high, the windows will have condensation on them. If it is set too low, you will have static electricity inside your house. To service your humidifier, you need to turn it into the off position, remove the cover, remove the top black tray, remove the interior filter, and either clean it with vinegar and water or CLR. After cleaning the filter, you will reinstall it first, then grab the top black tray, install that in, making sure that it is in place, in fact down, reinstalling the cover. I usually start by attaching the top two clips and then the bottom two clips. After installing the cover, make sure that your humidistat is turned back on to the comfort range.